Hello, I'm Volgora, and this is a review on Nature Valley Chocolate Oat Bites with 10 grams of protein. Chocolate baked oat bites cereal with a hearty crunch and a light sweet drizzle. You're gonna need a gallon of milk, a bowl, and there you go. I love this shit. It's got chocolate. I love chocolate. It's got, what else is in there? Oats, it's good for you. It makes you feel fuller than not. Like Cocoa Puffs, you're just eating puffed wheat. It's just air. This was a pound and a quarter ounce, 16.25 ounce. In this small box, but it was pretty hefty. Look at that. It doesn't look too fancy, but once you take a bite, it's just like biting into a granola, trail mix granola candy. I don't know. It's a good time. I bought mine at Grocery Outlet for $2.99. Making people love food. Making food people love, making love people food. Oh yeah.